friends, my name is Arya. Welcome to my show. Today I'm going to talk about Christmas. Jesus Christ was born on the day of Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December across the globe, and we have a holiday. Celebration starts on the day before Christmas on 24th December, also called as Christmas Eve, and goes till New Year. People visit church, offer prayer, and sings carol. We decorate Christmas tree with lights, ornaments, and tinsels. Children put stockings and receive gift from Santa Claus. Put milk and cookie for Santa. We exchange gift and do outdoor Christmas decorations. Public park display Christmas light and have light shows. It spreads message of peace, harmony, and brotherhood. For watching.